Hi, in this video I will show you how to change your age on Epic Games. So first things first, head over to dev.epicgames.com/community and you should be able to see this. So what we can do in this case is to just head over and then sign into our account first, and once you have signed in, just click onto your profile icon right here and you should be able to see these options. Click onto this account options that should be able to show up into the Epic Games, and you should be able to see in here account settings. I have in here my account settings. So what we can do instead is we can head over to the personal details and then just head over and then select in here the birthday. So if you can find it, you can find it as well on other option like parental controls. So if you have it enabled, this means that you're not up to the actual part or to the actual selected or allowed age yet. So head over and then set it up if you want. And then you need to have an admin account for this. So in here, just head over and then go to the settings and you can turn it off and turn it on. So Epic Games doesn't actually dwell on the age, but more on the parental controls that it have. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.